Did you know adding salt all at once can ruin your dish? Most home cooks get this wrong, but top chefs have a delicious secret you'll want to try. Salt isn't just about making food salty. It unlocks hidden flavors, but only if you use it at the right moments while you cook. Dumping all your salt in at the end? You're missing out on layers of taste that develop when you salt gradually throughout the process. The real trick? Salt early, during the first stages of cooking. This helps ingredients absorb the seasoning and brings out their natural flavors. But don't stop there. Add a pinch of salt at the end, just before serving. This last touch makes every bite burst with flavor. Professional chefs swear by this two-step salting method for balanced, mouth-watering dishes every time. It's simple, but it works. Next time you cook, try salting early and finishing with a sprinkle. Notice how your meals suddenly taste more vibrant and satisfying. So, for restaurant-worthy flavor at home, master the timing of your salt. Give it a try and get ready for compliments at your next meal. Be honest. Do you season once or in layers? Like and follow Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets.